express appreciation out loud. Say thank you as often as possible, even for the smallest things. Whether it's thanking a loved one for a kind gesture or feeling grateful for a sunny day, vocalizing appreciation sends a signal to the universe that you're open to abundance. This expression doesn't just uplift you. It brightens the world around you, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Reframe challenges with gratitude. Life's challenges often carry hidden gifts. Instead of focusing solely on obstacles, ask yourself what the experience might be teaching you. Did it help you grow stronger, more resilient, or more compassionate? This shift helps you recognize the silver linings that every experience brings, deepening your gratitude. Pause throughout your day to notice the beauty around you, the colors of the sky, the sound of laughter, the feeling of calm in a quiet moment. When you practice mindfulness, you heighten your awareness of life's beauty and blessings, naturally leading to more gratitude. Write letters of thanks. Pick someone who's made a positive impact on your life and write them a heartfelt letter. Even if you don't send it, writing out your appreciation has a powerful effect on your mindset. If you do send it, you're giving them a gift as well. Imagine how fulfilling it would feel to spread gratitude in such a meaningful way. Consider the placebo effect. Why can someone take a sugar pill and experience real healing? It's because they surrender to the belief that healing is happening. Their body responds, generating the chemistry needed for change. The true power lies within, in the profound connection between mind and body. For many, this placebo, a symbol of hope, shifts their mindset, instilling new possibilities for healing and wholeness. Studies show that a belief in one's ability to heal can profoundly alter biology, as emotions and thoughts interact to change body chemistry and activate healing mechanisms. Repeated thoughts and feelings do more than shape your mood. They recalibrate your nervous system and body chemistry, setting off new biological responses. When you commit to this process, you influence even your genes, adjusting your biological responses accordingly. Imagine if we could harness this understanding without a placebo. If you choose to embrace a future before it arrives and embody its possibilities, you could bring that vision into reality with intention and emotion, shifting your physiology in powerful ways. This journey goes beyond positive thinking. It's about creating an emotional and mental shift so powerful that your cells align with this new belief. But growth doesn't stop there. After each transformation, ask, what's the next belief that will take me further? Evolution is about stepping from one breakthrough to the next, always seeking greater understanding. For instance, consider a woman who overcame years of hardship in a toxic relationship. Living in constant stress, her body adapted to survive, developing sensitivities and allergies. After committing to deep inner work, she experienced a breakthrough. Freed from her past identity, she found herself eating foods she once couldn't tolerate. This wasn't a temporary change, it was a lasting shift. Once she reclaimed her health, she asked, if I can heal myself, can I help others heal too? This is how growth unfolds, one belief at a time, constantly expanding what's possible. Some people find guidance in astrology or other external systems, believing their fate is influenced by forces outside themselves. They see signs like numbers on a clock and find meaning there. But when a belief no longer serves them, they'll have the choice to move beyond it, realizing that the true force shaping their lives was within them all along. I too still confront my own beliefs, examining those that limit me. Growth often means stepping into the unknown, daring to test new possibilities. The placebo effect offers a glimpse into our capacity to create change from within. It's not about passively waiting for transformation, it's about consciously crafting it. Through persistent thought and intention, we can initiate profound shifts in our biology and reality, demonstrating the boundless potential of the mind-body connection. You have the power to transform your life far beyond what you can imagine at this very moment. It's not about the world around you, it's about the world within you. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are the true architects of your reality. How often have you allowed your surroundings to dictate your actions? How many times have you told yourself, I can't do this because of X, or I'll never achieve that because of Y? It's time to break free from those limiting beliefs. Your environment doesn't define you. You define your environment. It's not the external circumstances, but the inner strength and vision that shape our reality. You are not a victim of your environment. Each day you hold the power to transform your surroundings through your actions, choices, and mindset. The challenges you face are not barriers, but stepping stones, opportunities to craft a narrative of resilience and success. When you shift your perspective from merely reacting to proactively creating, you become the architect of your destiny. Think of the most inspiring individuals throughout history. They often emerged from the most unlikely places, overcoming adversity and defying odds. Their secret? An unwavering belief in their ability to redefine their environment. They chose to see potential where others saw limitation, to act with purpose where others stood still. Remember that your environment is not a sentence, but a canvas. Paint it with the bold colors of your dreams, the vibrant hues of your passions, and the rich textures of your perseverance. Every step you take in defiance of limitation, every small victory over circumstance reinforces your power to shape your world. Embrace the mindset that you are not confined by your surroundings. Instead, see yourself as a dynamic force capable of creating change. With determination and courage, you can transform any environment into a reflection of your greatest aspirations. You define your environment. Let this belief fuel your journey and inspire you to build a life that not only overcomes the odds, but also illuminates the path for others. The most successful people in the world, the ones who seem to have it all figured out, face challenges too. They encounter obstacles, setbacks, and failures. The difference is they don't let these things define them. They don't let their environment control their internal state. Instead, they maintain a clear vision of what they want to achieve, holding on to that vision regardless of what's happening around them. They understand that their current reality is just a temporary state, not a permanent condition. So how do we maintain our vision and positive mental state when the world seems to be conspiring against us? It starts with your morning routine. The moment you wake up, before you check your phone or turn on the news, take a few minutes to set your intention for the day. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, who do I want to be today? How do I want to feel? What do I want to accomplish? Visualize it, feel it, make it real in your mind. Remember, your brain doesn't know the difference between what's happening and what you're vividly imagining. Throughout your day, pay attention to your self-talk. Are you constantly criticizing yourself? Are you focusing on what could go wrong? If so, change the narrative. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement. Treat yourself as you would a dear friend. When you encounter a challenge, instead of thinking, why is this happening to me? Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this make me stronger? Every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. Every setback is a setup for a comeback.